Okay, today, uh, today I will explain about the Docker Compose. Okay, so for that one, cluster is not required. Okay, Docker Compose is not supporting the cluster. Okay, so first I will delete this all. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, 101 I have started and two worker node is there now. 39. Okay, guy, I am audible now.
Yes, audible.
Okay. Yeah, tell me the command to remove the node. I want to remove the node. What I should do? See, these all are available. Okay, so if I want to leave the Docker Swarm from this server, okay, 39 server, on 39 server, and work node 1 and work node 2, both I want to leave, what I should do?
Docker Swarm leave.
Docker yes, Nandita, I want to um, leave from this server. Okay, so then what I should execute here?
Docker Swarm leave.
Docker Swarm leave. Okay, Docker Swarm leave. Okay.
You can use -force if you want.
This one is also okay. Okay, this one is left. Okay, and one more thing, why I want to uh, remove the cluster. Whatever we have created the cluster, now that I want to uh, delete it. Okay, because Docker Compose not supporting the cluster. Okay, Docker Compose supports on single host server. Okay, that's why whatever we have created here cluster, I want to delete that one. Okay, so before that one, whatever the means server is connected, I want to leave it. Docker Swarm leave. Okay, again. Okay, node 1 is down and node 2 is still ready. Okay, both are down. And this one also, if I will, now I can let the master as well. Okay, and Docker Swarm leave. Oh, Docker Swarm leave. Fully. Hyphen force is required for this one.
No, after leave. After leave, -force.
Okay. Hyphen force. Okay, so this one also left it. Okay. So now again I will check it. Okay, now it's telling this node is not a Swarm manager. Use Docker Swarm init and Docker Swarm to join. So now this is single host, right? Now this server will act as a single host, correct?
Yes.
Any idea about the Docker Swarm means if you know from previous anything, any ideas about the Docker Swarm means Docker Compose? Anyone knows about the Docker Compose? Okay. One minute, guys. Yes. Tell me, any guys, Docker Compose. Docker Compose. Anyone? No one is knowing about this. Okay. See, actually, in previous classes, okay, from means if we will talk about the starting. So what actually we did? Okay. So for creating the first, what we did for creating the image, first we prepared the Docker file. Okay, means if we will talk about the Docker workflow. Okay, Docker workflow. Okay, if you will talk about the Docker flow, so in Docker flow, in a starting, first what we did, we have written the Docker file. Okay, what we did, we have written the Docker file. With the help of Docker file, what we did, we build the image. We build the image with the help of Docker file. Okay, and in third, what we did, with the help of this image, we created the container. Created the container. Okay, and using this image, okay, how you created the container? With the help of command docker run, right? Docker run. With the help of docker run, you are able to create create how many containers at a time? How many container at a time? Yeah, tell me the answer, guys. Option 4 container, 3 container, 5 container, or 1 container? Tell me.
One container.
1 container. Other guys?
One container.
1 container only.
One container.
One container at
Okay.
one time. Once you run.
Okay. Everyone is telling about 1 container only. Okay. Okay, means answer is 1, right? So, okay. Suppose if I want to create multiple container, okay. If I want to create multiple container, then what we can use? Okay.
Docker Compose.
Yes, then we will use Docker Compose. Okay. Like your requirement is, what is your requirement? Okay. Your requirement is Okay, your requirement is to create 5 container. Okay, 5 container. Now your requirement is to create 5 container. So for this one only, what we will do, we will write docker compose dot yml. Okay, anyone having idea about the yml? What is yml? Anyone knows about the yml? What is yml file? What is yml file? Anyone? No. See, okay.
Configuration
Sorry,
YAML is scripting.
or configuration.
configuration. No. JSON, you know JSON?
Markup
Java.
language.
YAML scripting.
Markup language. Okay.
But used for configuration.
Used for the configuration. Yes. See, actually, means Python, I think little bit. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In Python, one word is means what we need to follow there, indentation or indentation we are calling indentation, right?
Indentation.
Indentation. Spelling is correct. Indentation, I think this is correct. Spelling is correct.
Yes.
Yeah. So, guys, tell me what do you mean by this indentation? Anyone knows what is indentation?
It will define the structure of documents.
Okay, define the structure of. Means whatever we will write the script, that a structure you are telling, right? Okay, alignment, right? Alignment.
Yes, like a spacing and all everything.
Correct. See, whenever you are writing any script in Pythons, you have to strictly follow the indentation. Okay, indentation means you can say like alignment. Like, see, if you are writing something like here service, okay, then you have to follow like this. Okay, I will show you. Okay, one Docker compose file I will show you. Okay, I have written one. See this one. Okay, I will copy this one. Visual Studio. This is what I did. Okay. What I did is, you are required to create a file. Okay, paste it there. What I tried here. Okay, I will add one. Control M. Okay, this will close here. See here, you are able to see here. These things you are able to see, right? One line is there, okay. If you want to write the service, okay, then you have to come in same alignment, okay. Like version I have written here, okay. So, and service name here I have written log DevOps, means this much space I have given, okay. So this is the indentation, okay. This is nothing but this is the indentation, okay. Means you have to follow this one strictly, okay. Then after inside the here, okay, I'm starting, okay. This is the version of Docker Compose, okay. This is the version of Docker Compose, and after Docker Compose I have created, okay. See, before explaining this one more things, Docker Compose means whatever you guys are doing, like one by one everything, right? Creating the image, creating the service, creating the network, creating the volume, okay. We have learned in previous classes one by one. Those all things we have studied, right? Those all things I have explained, like volume I have explained, network I have explained, image I have explained, okay. How to create the service, that also I explained in the class, okay. So now what we will do, we will do with the help of Docker Compose file, okay. In the Docker Compose file we will mention all the things, okay, and we will execute that Docker Compose file, okay, to create the container, okay. So I am explaining about the indentation. So I think, see, service is here, service name is this one, log DevOps app. I have given the service name. Here I have given the image. See here, if you will see the service, after that one tab I took, okay, one tab. Then after I have taken the service name here, okay. Then after again one more tab, then after I have written about the image name. Here no tab is required because image having the port number, okay. That's why I have taken in the same line ports, okay. Then after here hyphen is the list, okay. This wherever you will see the this hyphen, that means list, okay. And which one we are going to restart, this whatever container will create, that we can restart, okay. So that's why I didn't took any space here. So that's why I have written here restart always. Then I took network mode. Network mode, to whom this one will go? This one will go to the container only. So I didn't took any space here also. Okay. Then after volume, I took the volume of that container. Okay. And volume also like a you have to take in the list only. Okay. Now I think indentation is clear to all, right? Guys, indentation I think now clear to all. Clear, guys? Hello? Anyone listening or not?
Yes, listening.
So this is clear, right? Means indentation is clear to everyone.
Yes, clear. Now only one tab or two space.
No, one tab you have to take. See, if you will click this one.
This is because of interpreter, I think.
Yes, you can tell like that. See, one, if you will give the space, this will take, okay? This is wrong, okay? You have to take the tab, okay? And one more thing, tab is also, if you will use tab in notepad, here tab is different, okay. Here if you will sometimes one two, here if you will give the tab, see here it came, okay. One,
Yeah, that's what I'm confused. You told
no,
that one tab, but I think as per my
if in
understanding,
notepad you will check, in notepad you have to take two space, okay. Here you have to take two space, okay. but generally we are using the Visual Studio. This is the best for writing the Docker Compose file or any. If you want to write, like later you will learn Terraform also. Okay, Terraform files also we will write on Visual Studio only. We will use Visual Studio only. Okay, so this is the best actually to write the Docker Compose file.
We
Yes.
need to install this Visual Studio in our systems also.
Yes, you can install, or otherwise I will send you this one. Okay, if you will try to write yourself only, means if you want to write any Docker Compose file, then you can install it. Okay, otherwise whatever I will give you, you can copy in your notepad and use that one only. Okay, and I will copy this one and send over the WhatsApp. Okay, I think WhatsApp having different indentation. Okay, I see if I will send you over the WhatsApp. Okay, there also different. Okay,
Yeah, the
if I
alignment will change here.
here alignment will change. Okay,
Yeah,
so try to copy this one in Notepad. Maybe will work. Okay. So try to copy anyone, otherwise I will send it anywhere or I will
No,
upload
in WhatsApp
somewhere.
it's a different indentation.
So try to copy in the notepad, or otherwise I will do, I will save this file and
yeah,
I
I
will
found
send
it
this
in
one. Okay.
Notepad. It's coming a little different.
Hmm?
In Notepad, it is the alignment is it's not same what you have sent.
Oh, in notepad it's coming like different. Okay.
Yeah, it
Okay.
is.
I will save it and send you. Okay. I will send you. Okay. No problem. Okay. Okay, come here now. So I think now indentation is clear to all. Okay. So now, okay. So before that one, Docker Compose is another thing. Okay. So we require to download the Docker Compose. Okay. So we need to install Docker Compose on single host machine. So this becomes as a single host machine now. What we will do here? So we will install Docker Compose. Okay. So sudo, okay, what happened? This server, what happened? Okay, this one is not required now. Okay, I will restart this one. Okay. Okay, batch, where is batch? Batch master, okay. Okay, started. So first we require to install the Docker Compose. Okay. So I will tell you how to install the Docker Compose. Okay. Okay, so first we will install the Docker Compose sudo. First we need to update it, okay? So sudo apt-get update. First we will update the machine, okay? Okay, update is done. Then you can install apt install Docker Compose. This will install the Docker Compose, okay? Okay, we will check the Docker version. Compose hyphen version. Yes, 1.29.2. Okay. Okay, now what I will do, exit from here. Okay, so here I will create one folder. Okay, one directory we will create here. Okay, so mkdir. You can create any directory name. Okay, so okay, I'm creating with the name of learn Docker Compose. Docker Compose. Okay, now you will go inside. Here now I will write one Docker Compose file. Okay, see this one already I have written here. Okay, so I will copy this one and I can copy from here. Now see by default name, if you are going to give like Docker Compose, Docker hyphen compose dot yml, this is the default name. Okay, so first we will learn how to run the default Docker Compose file. Okay, so you can create like vim docker compose dot yml. Okay, then we will insert here. Okay, now escape. So this will save it. Okay, now if you will see here inside this one docker hyphen compose dot yml is created. Okay, so now I want to execute this docker hyphen compose dot yml. Okay, so if you want to execute this one, okay, then you have to write, okay, one more time. See here we will create one service name is log DevOps app, okay, and image we will use this one, okay. This image is available on this machine, okay. Port we will use 1496, okay. Here, um, if we want to expose outside the means world, then this will create by default, okay. This will create that port number, okay, that we will see here, okay. And here network, by default network we will use right now, okay. Later we will use different network also. So right now I use the by default network bridge, okay, and volume I took, okay. So now I created the volume, my logs
Why you
volume.
use the restart always?
Sorry, Ananta.
Why you use the restart always?
V start.
Restart always.
Why we use restart always?
Yes.
Okay, here you are telling.
Yes. Yes.
Restart always means whenever this container will go down, this will automatic try to restart. Okay. Sometimes your container will go down. Okay. So in that case, that will up. Okay.
So if we will not give restart always, so if it will go down, it will not again come.
That will not come.
Okay.
Okay. So now here you have to write the command docker compose docker compose name I haven't given. Okay. Then you have to write docker compose up hyphen d only. Okay. Docker compose up hyphen d. Okay. This much only you have to write. Up means that will create. Okay. So okay, I will try to execute this one. Okay, what happened? Oh, sudo. We are not inside the root, right? See, we are not inside the root here. Okay, that's why permission denied it came. Okay, so what we will write? Sudo docker compose up hyphen d. Up hyphen d. Okay. Now execute. Okay. See. See if this image is not available on this server, then first this will pull the image also. Okay. This will pull the image also. See, now created. Earlier, if you will see sudo docker images. See. See, right now, okay. These all are previous images. Okay. This is master batch. Okay. And here, which version I used? 1.0.3 snapshot. And here is log DevOps. And here is also log DevOps. Okay, fine. See, if image is not available on this server, then Docker Compose will try to pull the image also, okay? Because we already uploaded this image on our Docker Hub, right? Docker Hub. That's why. Now you can check the container created or not. Docker sudo, right? Sudo docker ps. See here just now. See here just now created the container, and you can see here one port is generated. Okay. So now if you will try to execute your this application, okay, you can execute. So what we can write here? Server name 192.101 only, no? Okay, this is the root, right? Okay, not reachable. Why it's showing not reachable? Three two double 7 5. Server is 192.168.29.01. Okay, we have taken the bridge network, right? There should required, I think, custom bridge network, then we can access it. Okay, let me check one more time. Yeah, it's working. Oh no, not working. For this one, we require to create custom bridge network. Okay. Right now, okay. So right now, you are able to see single container. Okay. Later, I will show you that one also. Okay. So now I want to create. Right now, single container is created. Okay. So now I want to scale it. Okay. I want to scale it. I want to create a 5 container. Okay. 5 container. Then what we should do here?
I'm having one doubt.
Yeah.
Tell me, like we have already pushed that image in the Docker Hub. Okay,
Uh,
but if that image is not available in the Docker Hub as well as here also, then
then that will not run. That will tell you like this image is not available.
okay. And
Yeah.
if the same image is available in the master code and not in the GitHub, then so
See, if that is available on server, that will take from your server. Okay. If both were not available, in that case, your command will fail. Whatever you have written, sudo docker compose up hyphen d, that will fail. Okay. And
and
if
if it's available in the GitHub only, then it will push from the GitHub.
no, GitHub we are not using, right? We are using the this
Docker Hub.
one,
Docker Hub.
Docker Hub.
So it will pull from the Docker Hub, then it will execute.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, now I want to scale it up to 5. Okay, then you can write docker hyphen compose up hyphen scale. Okay, and then after what we have taken this service name, this one. Okay, you have to give the service image. With the help of service image, only container is created. So you have to write the, remember these all things. Okay, because when I will explain these all things will be explained in the Kubernetes. Okay, on high level. Okay, in Docker it's little bit uh, less. If you will learn the because from next weekend I will try to start the Kubernetes. Okay, so this concept try to understand in the clear way. Okay, if any question you can directly ask to me. Okay, I will try to create here 4 container. Okay, then after hyphen d. Okay, yeah, execute it. Oh, sorry, sudo. See, created 4 container. One is already there, so 3 more container is created. if you will see sudo docker ps, see here 4 container is created. Okay,
Means for a single image, 4 different containers has been created, right?
yeah, for the single image
Okay.
4 container is created.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, service means you are so in service whatever you are giving the image. Okay, I will take multiple images. I will show you. Okay, I will show you here. Uh, here in service, here only I have created one service. I will create here one more service, and I will take one more image. Okay, I will show you. In that case, with the help of 2 images, different kind of container will create. Okay, for the different applications. Okay, that I will show you. Okay, don't worry. So this is clear to all, right? Now,
Yes.
now I want to degrade, means I want to decrease the container. See, right now our requirement is to create okay, here restarting is showing, might be okay. I will try to use this one. Okay, okay, in bridge network outside will not come. Okay, yeah. So now suppose now your manager told like on this server whatever the container of this application having 4 container, now you reduce it to 3 2 container only. Okay, now reduce it to 2 containers, means 4 container you have, delete 2 container. Okay, means a scale to 2 container. So what we can do here, you have written the 4. Okay, so 4 is already available. If you will write here 2, okay, 2 means you are degrading. Okay, you are degrading. So now this will become 2 container. Okay, see, 2 container will be deleted. Okay, see here, see stopping and removing. Okay, see here 97%. Okay, yeah. So now if you will see docker docker ps hyphen a, oh sorry, sudo, see now you have 2 container. Again you want to scale it. Okay, again you want to create 5 container. Okay, then you can write it here. So this is easy, right? Now if you will give 5, so means 5 you are giving, 2 is there, 2 is already there. Okay, so 3 will increase now, right? So okay, yeah, see created, right? So now check it. See, 5 containers came up now. This is clear to all.
Yeah, I see. Actually, you told right. Your manager will tell to reduce the container. Like on what basis?
See, that is, suppose your application is Flipkart. Okay, suppose Flipkart sale is coming. Okay, Flipkart sale is coming. That time more hit will come. More user will try to come on that side. More user will visit, right?
For
In
scale
that case, in that case, okay, in that case, load will more come. Okay, that's why you can increase the number of container. Okay, means whatever the heat will go where, it will go on container only. If you have only 2 container, okay, and if one container can only handles thousands of users. Okay, if one container will handles only thousands of users, okay, suppose 5,000 users are expected to log in, or means will use Flipkart website. Okay, in that case, what you will do? In that case, you can increase the number of containers, right? So in that situation, your manager will tell you increase the pod, means increase the container here. Okay, this same thing we will learn in Kubernetes. Okay, in Kubernetes we will learn the pod concept. Okay, later I will tell you those all things. Okay, so I think my answer is okay for you. I think this is clear to you, right? Sarfraj?
Yes, yes, yes. Thanks, Harish bhai. Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, okay. Okay, this is now done. Mm, I think this one should work actually. Why this one is not working? This
How
should
to
work
scale down?
actually. Scale down. See, if you want to scale down, right now 5 container is there now. If you want to delete 3 container, okay, then keep it here 3. So this will see right now 5. You are able to see 5 container here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So
Yes.
now if you will write here 3, mean 3, this will come to 3, means 2 will delete. See, stopping and removing.
So which one it will remove?
Anyone will remove. Anyone will remove. These all containers are same only, okay? Yeah, if you will check now. See now 3 are there. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, after that, one more time I will, here I used, okay, later I will show you. Actually on breeze should work because breeze is, because this, whatever we have the servers, those servers are using the breeze network only. So that should work actually. Mm, sudo docker ps. Okay, might be there's some problem in. This should work actually. Okay, this should work. Okay. Uh, okay, later I will check that one. Not a problem. Okay, now reduce is done. Now removing I already explained. Now at a time I want to delete all the container. Whatever the container is created, now at a time I want to delete all. Then you can write docker compose docker compose down. Okay, this will down your all container. Okay, whatever the container is available on the docker compose.yml, means default yml, that will down all the container. Okay, see. Oh, sorry. Sudo. Yeah. See, whatever the container is available, all are down now. See. Sudo. Hmm. See, no container is available now. Clear?
Yes.
So, interviewer will ask you one question, okay? what is the limitations of Docker Compose? What you will tell? If I will ask you, I will ask you what is the limitation of Docker Compose? What will be your answer? Yeah, guys, tell me. First,
See, Docker Compose, it is only run on single host, right?
yes, correct. First one is you can create with the help of Docker Compose, you can create on a single host only. So you can write as you can tell like means you can create multiple container on the single host server. This is the first one, first limitation. Second, you can't create container means you can't create okay, you can't create container using Docker Compose on a cluster. You cannot create a container, okay, using the Docker Compose on a cluster. Cluster you can't use here, okay. Cluster you can't use Docker Compose, okay. This two answer you can give the you can say to the interviewer, okay. Now next, see right now we are given the name as what we are given the name of like Docker Compose dot yml. I have given the name, right? This name I have given. Docker Compose name what I have given? Docker hyphen compose. Okay. Suppose I will give our custom name. Okay, like log devops dot yml. If I will give log devops yml, what will happen and how we can execute it? Okay, now come here. Okay, with one service I already explained. In this case, I will show you two service.
I have a
Okay,
question. Uh,
yeah, ask.
As Docker Compose is a single host server and we are
Yes,
creating multiple container, then the load will be high. How it will
yeah,
manage?
that resolution is available. Okay, in later class you will see the different things. Okay, so this one is generally we are using for a standalone application. Means single like see, if requirement is like see suppose whatever the server is available. Okay, suppose one server you have. Okay, one server you have, server one. Okay, if infra of this server is good, infra of this server is good. Good in the sense like RAM is like 100 GB, storage having 1000 TB. Okay, like your application required maximum 60 to 70 GB. Okay, in that case only you can use the Docker Compose. Okay, see, in whenever you are doing anything, first you have to expect what is the expectation of applications. Like if you have means what kind of application you are going to deploy on this server. Okay, that you have to analyze on. Like how much user will come. Okay, that kind of infra you have to create. Infra means what? Server you have to create. Okay, you have to create the server, that kind only. If you already know load will go high, okay, so you can assign high RAM and high storage and CPU. Okay, in that case this will run fine. Okay, suppose user will hit more user will come. Okay, in that case if you will give like 60 and 70 GB, that can trouble you. Okay,
Oh,
so this all resolution will be done in Kubernetes, and in Kubernetes and in Docker also something is available. I will explain you. Okay, so what we
okay.
can do, we can take a good infra. Okay, means good server. Okay, Sumit.
Yes.
Okay. See, if you have good infra, then you can go for means like 20 container, 25 container. Okay. Okay. Now we will see the custom uh, Docker Compose file. Okay. That also I have written it here. Mhm. Okay, now see one more Docker Compose file I have written here. Okay, here one image I am using Nginx. Okay, Nginx. Okay, means this is not our own image. Okay, this is this we will take from where we will take from Docker Hub. Okay, and one I am taking the Tomcat. Okay, here I have given the two service name here. See, service name one is this one, my Nginx app. Okay, and another service name is my Tomcat. See the alignment, both are in same. Okay, and here I took this image and port this one I took, and here image is this one and port number is this one, and network I took. Okay, which network I took? I took the custom bridge network. Okay, custom bridge network. Okay, so now tell me, before creating the custom Docker Compose file, do we need to create here network, this network, or Docker Compose will create? In previous, if you will see, in this one volume we have given. Okay, volume is created by the Docker Compose. Okay, so what do you think about the network? Custom network will create by the Docker Compose, or I have to create it?
I think we have to create. Not
Yes,
yes.
yeah, we need to create it. Okay, so first we will try to execute without creating it. Okay, we will see what will happen. Okay, ls. So I have to write one more, right? So this time I will give log devops dot yml. insert. Okay, you can copy. Okay, now first we will see this image is available or not. Okay, both we will see first. 1 minute. I'm not saving it. First we will see the Docker image sudo. Tomcat is available. Nginx is available. Okay, Nginx is available. Okay. Tomcat is not available. So that should download from the internet, right? Okay. So vim logdevops.ym copy. Save it. This Docker Compose is clear to all, right? Or anywhere means somewhere you are getting confused or dot. Tell me, I will explain. Or this is clear to all.
Clear.
Clear, no? Okay. Okay. So now, see previously, what we have executed the command. Yeah, sudo docker compose up. Yeah, this one we used, right? So this time we have 1 minute. If you will do ls, this is the log tables, not by default Docker compose name. Okay, so this command will change. Okay, little bit there is change. So Docker compose hyphen if, then after you have to write the name of Docker compose file. Okay, this one. Okay, so now tell me guys, this will create one container or two container?
One container.
One container. Other?
No, two container, because two images there.
Yes, there is two image now. See, if you will see, we have
Yes,
taken two image,
two container.
two container, right? Okay, so this will create two containers. See, pulling Tomcat. This will give error, right? Because we haven't created the custom bridge network, no? Okay, first this will pull the image. Okay. So, see here. See only Nginx. This one is already available, so that didn't try to download it. So see here, log devops bridge is not found. This is the network we have given, right? So first we need to create the network. Okay. So I already explained in the previous class, right? Uh, okay. Now, where we can come here. So tell me guys the command to create the bridge network, custom bridge network. What I should write? Sudo. Yeah. Try to Docker network. Create, right? Driver name network. No, driver we will use bridge. Then we can give the name of
Bridge net.
bridge network,
Custom bridge network name.
custom bridge network. Okay. Or wait a minute. Before that one, we can check the network also. Docker network. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So that network is not available. Okay. So we can create it. Okay, created. Now we can check it. Yeah, created. Now we will use that command. Yeah. No. Yes, this one, right? Now should create, right? So how many container will create?
2.
2. Everyone is okay with 2, or anyone means answer is like 1. Guys, Ravi, Sumit, Sarfraz.
Yeah, I think two only, because in that YML file we have two images, right?
2 images, okay. Okay, so 2 is created. Now we can check Docker PS sudo Docker. See, one is Docker Compose my Tomcat 1, and another one is Nginx. Okay, so at a time 2 container is created. Now in this case I will try to run. Okay. See, welcome to Nginx came, right? And one more is Tomcat now. I think this is clear to all.
Yes.
See, this is Tomcat. Clear?
That is that possible that we have single container and running both service, Tomcat and Nginx both?
Means 2 container you want with the same image, right?
Yeah, in single container both services will be this possible?
Okay, you are telling in the single service both container.
नहीं एक कंटेनर पे दोनों सर्विस चलता रहे, टॉमकैट भी चले और Nginx भी चले साथ
हाँ, एक सर्विस पे ना,
एक कंटेनर पे।
एक कंटेनर पे 2 सर्विस।
हाँ,
No, we can't use on single container two images. See, whenever means you are going to create anything. Okay. Okay, two things in a single container. Oh, yes, you can. You can. See, earlier what we did, backend application like Node we used, right? And one backend application I used. Yes, you can.
like
I'm
when
not telling
we
about the
writing
single
docker
service.
file,
No?
we हाँ, जब हम लोग डॉकर फाइल लिख रहे थे उस समय भी तो मल्टीपल चीज यूज किए थे सिंगल
हाँ,
कंटेनर के
हाँ,
साथ।
हाँ, कर सकते हैं, कर सकते हैं।
वो डॉकर का
कौन रवि बोल रहे
हाँ,
हो?
उल्लास बोल रहा हूँ, उल्लास।
अच्छा, अच्छा, उल्लास बोल रहे हो। हाँ, हाँ, क्या बोल रहे थे अभी?
हाँ, हाँ, जैसे डॉकर कंपोज से YAML फाइल के थ्रू हमने दो कंटेनर लॉन्च किया, दोनों पे अलग अलग सर्विस है, एक ही
हाँ,
कंटेनर पे दोनों सर्विस।
मतलब अब तुम बोल रहे हो
जैसे
कि ये एक सर्विस रहेगा,
हाँ,
वही
सर्विस
बोल।
दोनों रहेगा, कंटेनर एक ही लॉन्च हो, जैसे डॉकर फाइल से हमने एक ही कंटेनर पे सर्विस चलाया था, बैकएंड का और फ्रंट सब कुछ चलाया था एक ही कंटेनर पे।
हाँ, हाँ, वो कर सकते हो, वो कर सकते हो, वो डॉकर कंपोज में तुम लिख सकते हो, वैसा हो सकता है। क्योंकि ऐसा भी होता है कि एक सर्विस में, है ना, एक सर्विस में मल्टीपल थिंग्स को यूज करोगे, ठीक है, जैसे कि तुम्हारा यूआई आ जाएगा, तुम्हारा डेटाबेस आ जाएगा, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो एक
हम्म,
सिंगल कंटेनर को ही ना चाहिए, लेकिन उसका अलग अलग इमेज हो सकता
हाँ,
है ना।
वही
हाँ,
जैसे
वो
हम
कर
लोग
सकते
कंपनी में है,
वो कर
कोलाब
सकते हैं।
सर्विस है, अपाचे है, पोस्टग्री है, सब कुछ एक ही कंटेनर पे चल रहा है।
हाँ, हाँ, कर सकते हो, कर सकते हो। जैसे अभी एक ये जो मैंने बोला था, सौरभ जो ज्वाइन किया है कंपनी, ठीक है, उसको क्या इशू आ रहा था, मैं उससे कनेक्ट हुआ था, ये शायद थर्सडे को मैं कनेक्ट हुआ था, उसमें क्या था कि उसने एक ही इमेज में क्या किया था, 20 इमेज ले लिया था, ठीक है, 20 कंटेनर वो यूज कर रहा था। बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लेकिन होता है, ठीक है, वो बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है, क्योंकि उसका जो कंपनी है उसको में क्या है ना, बहुत मतलब कि ओल्ड तरीका यूज किया हुआ था, ठीक है, मैं बहुत माथा खराब हुआ। तो उसमें बहुत मतलब कि प्रॉब्लम होता है, ठीक है। तो हाँ, लेकिन अगर जो डॉकर कंपोज में या लेटर ऑन मतलब कि तुम जैसे कि लिखोगे ये, देखो, तीन चार यूज करो, ठीक है। अब तुम एक ही कंटेनर में तुम सारा को डाल दिए हो, उसका क्या था कि मोर देन आई थिंक उसका 25 था, ठीक है, 25 एक ही में था। तो आप सोचो, एक में कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है तो तुम उसको ट्रबल शूट करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आएगी, है ना। तो तीन चार होता है, जनरली हम लोग मतलब वो यूज करते हैं, समझे।
हम्म,
तो कर सकते हो, ठीक है। हाँ, तो वेयर वी आर, हाँ, नाउ, नाउ, हाँ, और भी है क्वेश्चन।
नहीं, क्वेश्चन नहीं।
ओके, तो ये वाला, ये हम लोग, ये तो मैंने करके दिखा दिया ना, कहाँ गया। अच्छा, एक बार मैं और एक और काम, ओके, मैं पहले ये बता दूं। ओके, अब इसको हम, नाउ वी हैव टू स्केल दिस वन, ओके। नाउ वी हैव टू स्केल दिस टू एप्लीकेशन, ओके। सो व्हाट वी कैन डू नाउ, now you guys can guess the command what I should write to a scale. Hmm, okay, I will try now. Sudo docker compose, इसमें we have to write the both image, both service we have to use, no. Sudo docker compose, sudo docker compose hyphen if, what we use the, what is the name of file here? Logdevops.yml, no? Yeah, logdevops.yml, no? Yes, logdevops yml, logdevops.yml up hyphen scale and service name. We want to increase this one, okay? So we have to take the service name. We can use this service name here, okay? Service name, service name. From this one we are creating the image now. So I want to create two images from the two container from this one, okay? So I will write here 2, okay? Then after hyphen scale, again which one? This one. Okay. This one also I will create like three container I will create of Tomcat. Okay, 3 container hyphen d only. Yes. Yeah, guys, tell me now what is the meaning of this command? How many container will create of Nginx and how many container of my Tomcat will create here?
1 container of Nginx and 2 container of Tomcat will create. One is already running for Nginx and one is already running for Tomcat.
Okay.
The rest will create.
So one more container will come for Nginx and 2 container will come for Tomcat, you are telling.
Yes.
So yeah, so other guys reply the same things you want to tell, like, or means count will be different. Nandita, tell me. Nandita, are you there?
2 container for Nginx and 3 container for Tomcat.
Total 2 container of my means Nginx and total 3 container of Tomcat.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's the correct. That should be okay. Yeah. Okay, done. We can use Docker. Yeah, so total is 5. Now guys, tell me here, can we see here, now you will see different port is assigned. For all different port is assigned here. If you want to 23, 22, maybe 22. So all should are working, okay? So these all are working now. Okay, later we will see on single also, okay? You will create multiple container and that will go on a single port only, okay? That also I will show you later, okay? Okay. So today 9, okay, already 9. Okay, guys. So till today this thing, okay? So today now I will stop the session now. We will connect now tomorrow, okay? Now I think few things are available for I think little bit more I should explain about the Docker Swarm. That I will explain, okay? So that I will start this one Kubernetes from the next class, okay? Tomorrow I will try to explain all the things in Docker, okay? whatever the remaining things, tomorrow I will explain, and I will finish this one, Docker, okay? And from the next start, we will start the Kubernetes, okay? So I think Docker Compose is clear to all. Clear, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so I am dropping the call now. Okay, guys, thank you for joining.